Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So tonight I'm going to be picking and gutting a challenge lock for you. What we have here, if I can get that to focus, Bearsback number 8, pinned on the 16th of the 6th, 2018. And as you can see, I have actually just picked it. So what I thought I'd do is lock it back up and see if we can get it on camera. So as you can see, it's working perfectly and it is well and truly locked up. So yeah, let's see if we can get to picking this. I want to find out what's inside, so let's have a look. Pry bar in the top, and I'm going to be using my offset hybrid. I'm not sure whether that's focusing. Straight into the back, a little movement of 6. Click off 4. Nothing on 3. Click off 2. Nothing on 1. Deep full set of 6. Nothing on 5. Click off 4. Click off 3. There we go, seem to have set 1 there. Come to the back end. 6, feels good. 5 feels good. Ooh, when I let go of 5 then I got a deeper full set. Nice deeper full set of 2 there. See if I can show that on camera. Lovely full set, that's what we want. To the back. 6 is good. 5 is good. 4 is good. 3 I think is good. 2 had a little click off. Is it 1 maybe? Short open off 3 last time. 6 5 4 There we go, open off 3 just as suspected. Not actually sure whether it was 2, I'm saying 3. But as you can see, we are open. Awesome. Chuck that down there. There we have it, Bearsback 8. We can go ahead and lock this up because we have the key. So, circlet pliers. Okay. I'm sure it's one of those ones that'll just pop off. Perhaps we'll spread it a little bit then. There we go, we're cooking now. Cooking now. And a shim. There we go, as we can see, that's the bitting on the key. Lovely bitting. Arrow key. Turn the pins up that way. Get a shim in here because I know there's going to be some funkiness. Awesome stuff. Place that down there. Oh, you can see some nice pins in there already. As you can see, everything needed to be picked, even that overset trap on the front, and I can see work to the core as well, so I'll just quickly get these out. One, long spool keeping. Two, standard keeping. Three, get out of that. Three doesn't want to come out, we'll get him in a second. There we go, three's decided to come after all. Standard keeping. 5 is a multi-serration. 6 is a single serration. There we go. And we've got a spool, I'd call that. For front, I'll show you these close up in a second, guys. But let's have a look at the work to this core. So, number 6 we have threading, 5 we have threading, 4 standard, 3 standard, 2 appears to be undercut, and 1 is standard. Cool. Right, so let's have a look at the drivers in this bad boy then. Number 1, we have a standard. Wasn't expecting that, probably just because it was an overset trap though, so 2, whoa, look at that. It's deep double spool, I'll show you that close up in a second, guys. There we go, so we had a copper spring for 1, a steel spring for 2. Number 3. Dropped into number 2. Oh, double serrated T-pin there, guys. Nice. As I said, I'll show you all these close up in a second. And spring, we have a copper spring. Actually I'll start the other end. Number 6, we have nice fine serrations there. And a steel spring on 6. Stronger steel spring that one looks to be. Oh, looks like we got some work to the Bible as well. Very cool. Right. Number 4 shot out at me. He's a tiny little serrated thing. And a steel spring for 5. I don't know. Yeah, 5. Number 4, last but not least. Oh, very nice. We've got like a spool T-pin. I'll show you all these up close in a second, guys. And another steel spring. So, let me just grab my torch, see if I can show this up a bit better. Right, so we've got threading in 6, threading in 5, threading in 4, threading in 3, threading in 2, and standard in 1, I believe. I'll just have a quick feel of that. Yep, threading in everything except the first one. Awesome work. Right, let's see if I can stand this up without losing it. But yeah, Bearsback, that was a very fun lock, my friend. My first ever Bearsback lock. And it was good fun. Fingers crossed I can stand these up without losing them all. And we have success. So there we go. Let me just talk you through these. Fantastic pins by Bearsback here, guys. As you can see, key pin 1, we've got a deep spool, a standard key pin in 2, standard in 3, a deep serration, I'd call it, rather than a spool. However, it is more of a spool in 4. Then we got 2 fine serrations in 5 and 1 fine serration in 6. Very cool. And for number 1, we have standard. Number 2, this pin is phenomenal, guys. I know it's not showing up that great on camera, my lighting's quite bad in here, but we've got a really deep spool followed by another spool, double spool. Very cool. And this for number 3. Apologies for that, guys. Yeah, my phone rang and I had to answer. So yeah, as I said, I apologise about it. I believe we're on driver number 3, and what a pin this is. Deep serration at the bottom, coming into a spoolie serration thing, into a T-pin. Absolutely amazing way it bears back, my friend. Lovely pin. The same with number 4, so it's like a mini version. Got a deep serrated spool, sort of, coming into a T-pin. Very tricky work. Number 5, got a double fine serrations. Very nice again. And number 6 is lovely. We've got some fine serrations, we've got some fat serrations, just a good handful of serrations, really. So that was my first Bearsback lock, and I'm very happy with that. That was a good fun pick, I'm not going to lie. So great work. For any of you that haven't actually checked out Bearsback yet, get yourself on over there, guys. Not only does he make amazing challenge locks, as you can see, but he's a great picker, he's got a great channel, great content, and he's an all-round cool guy. So please check him out, guys. The link to his channel will be in the description of this video. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye now.